Hello everyone, this is Aisha. Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we can learn about HTML. This is the introduction video about HTML. Let's see the expansion of HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. This is not a programming language. It is used to create web pages. Not only HTML is enough to create the web pages, we can use some styling language and scripts too. But first we can learn this basic and go for styling languages in future. This HTML is used to describe the structure of our web pages. It consists of some series of elements it has some default tags. Each and every user of a website we can use some particular tags inside this HTML. Each and every language we must use some tools to run and get it output, right? For this HTML also we want to use two tools. First one is text editor. This is the normal in each and every desktop and laptop. We can have some default text editor like notepad or text document. If you are comfortable to use any other software, you can use notepad plus plus or visual studio code for text editor. I would strongly recommend you to use visual studio code because in this tutorial we can see visual studio code use only. It will also help us to learn future another languages too. This code editor is helps us to write our code in efficient manner and in easy way. That's why I asked you to use Visual Studio Code. In the description below, I will give you the link about how can we get the output for HTML in three ways. You can choose any one of the way to learn this entire HTML tutorial. And second tool is browser. In every desktop, laptop, and our cellular phone, browser is essential, right? Some of them have their default browser as Internet Explorer, some of them have Google Chrome. But these are all not problem. For HTML, we simply need one browser to get our output. Each and every HTML code we want to write in text editor, that is text document we want to prepare and save it in the extension of .html. After that we want to open the text document with the help of browser. Now our HTML output is ready. It will display our web page. This is what we want to do in our tutorial. We can see some future videos about how to create it in a practical way. Always practical learning is helpful for us rather than theoretical knowledge. So try to set your environment for HTML and then begin your learning. Thank you for watching.